In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. Looker Studio is Google's free tool for turning raw data into interactive dashboards. Pairing it with Google Sheets is perfect for quick analysis, lightweight reporting, or sharing insights with your team. I'll walk you through a clean, beginner-friendly flow so you can get a report up and running without confusion. Start by heading to the Looker Studio homepage in your browser and sign in with your Google account if you're prompted. You'll land on a dashboard that highlights ways to begin. Choose Start with a Template. Even though we're going to build something simple, this view makes it easy to see what's possible. From there, pick the Blank Report option. A blank report gives you a clean canvas and total control over what gets added. When the editor opens, you'll see options to connect to data. Select Google Sheets as your data source. If this is your first time, you might be asked to grant Looker Studio permission to read your sheets. Go ahead and allow it so the connection works. To follow along with reliable data, choose the Sample Spreadsheets option. Using sample data is a safe way to practice. It's structured, consistent, and helps you learn without worrying about breaking anything in your own files. Next, select Sheet 1. That tells Looker Studio exactly which worksheet to pull from in the sample file. After you choose it, Looker Studio loads the fields on the right and places a starter table on the canvas so you can immediately see rows, columns, and values. If you need to step back to the broader view or confirm what's available, click All Items to return to the full list. This is helpful when you want to double-check you picked the correct spreadsheet and sheet. From here, you can explore the data that's already on the page. Try resizing the table, changing the dimension or metric in the Properties panel, and adjusting the date range at the top right if one appears. If a number looks off, check the field type. Metrics should be numeric, dates should be recognized as dates. You can also rename your report in the upper left corner so it's easy to find later. To wrap up, you went to Looker Studio, started with a template, opened a blank report, connected Google Sheets, used the sample spreadsheets, chose Sheet 1, and used all items to navigate. That's the foundation you need to begin building clear, shareable dashboards from Google Sheets in minutes.